Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you are watching from Facebook, please remember that we have Facebook, and the Facebook name is the same as this YT Kai Report. So you can follow us on Facebook, like the page, comment and share the video to your family and friends. Share it to everyone that you know. Yes, guys, we have this news that Sahara Reporter reported in 2 hours ago, saying that Nigerians took action on Twitter by calling Kate Henshaw out for what she is trying to do or she have done, leon herself to Governor Hope Uzodinma in the forthcoming election that's going to take place in Imo State. So Nigerians are not taking it lightly, because we all know that Kate Henshaw supports Labour Party. All of them, all the Nollywood actors and actresses, they came out. Even the musicians, celebrities in Nigeria were very, very vocal in support of Peter Obi Labour Party. So now Kate Henshaw is going back to her vomit by trying to join APC members in supporting Hope Uzodinma to raise funds, fundraising that are going to take place just to support Hope Uzodinma, as we have it here. This is the news here on Twitter. You can see it here. Kate Henshaw and Okey Bakassi and some other celebrities will head the hosting of the fundraiser for Governor Hope Uzodinma's re-election in the forthcoming November governorship election in the state, that is Imo State. Some Nigerians on X, formerly known as Twitter, have lambasted a Labour Party stalwart and Nollywood star Kate Henshaw for heading the second-term fundraiser for the Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma of All Progressive Congress (APC). Henshaw, Okey Bakassi and some other celebrities will head the hosting of the fundraiser for Governor Hope Uzodinma election in the forthcoming November governorship election in the state. However, some ex-users, that's Twitter users, who have followed Henshaw's consistent support for the Labour Party and its presidential candidate in the 2023 general election, Peter Obi, have called her out for what they describe as enabling oppressors. To remain in power. The actress is one of the top supporters of Obi, a movement whose members are known as obedient. In an attempt of justifying her action, Henshaw said, "Someone called me this morning to check the X, that is Twitter app. I was invited to host a fundraiser alongside my colleague. I accepted my prerogative. What is the noise about? The difference between you and I is that I will still speak my truth as I see fit." End of. Okay, this is Kate Henshaw tweet. As you can see here, the tweet that Sahara posted, commented about. But there's an interesting comment here that I would like us to look at. Let's go through the people's comment. You can see this one says, hosting an event means you approve of what the event is about. There is no how you will host such an event that you won't say good things about the person, the government and the party you are raising funds for. In fact, you are the major brander for that night. N9eria. So this person is trying to remind Kate that you don't go to the midst of something that you criticize, hoping to paint it good, to raise funds for them, because for you to convince people to donate money, you must say good things about that thing. This one says, Madam Kate, you check the X app because you are well aware of your actions. Stop lying. It is disgraceful and unpleasant to see you involving in such a fundraising effort. Do you know exactly what you have just done? A man came to power from nowhere and has been very cruel to his people. This is another comment. Still on the comment section, we have another one here. Disappointed, you don't enable the oppressors to power and then return to speak truth to them. A person of principle shouldn't accept every gig. I mean, the same criminal structure we are trying to dismantle. If Boko Haram or Hamas invites you to fundraising for them, okay? This is this is quite funny, Boko Haram and Hamas invites you for fundraising for them, okay? That's a good question actually, because after fighting and trying to do what you consider good for people of Nigeria and everybody, then you are here trying to side someone that you were against to raise funds for them. Fund for what? Fund for champion what you have criticized. Okay, this person says, so if Tinubu had invited you to host a fundraiser alongside with your colleagues, you would have accepted 2023 my year of divine discovery. Okay, so this one is trying to say you have discovered that Nigerian election and the corruption, once you present money to any average Nigerians, whether you are whatever you claim to be, as long as you're in the system, money conditions your decision. You all hail the evil party, but wouldn't resist the proceeds from the evil party. You are a hypocrite. Now who they deceive? Yeah, so this one, I believe, is a core APC member for him, because he's trying to mock people who were, saying things against the party. That's what I understand from what he's saying here. Okay, we are here on the comment section as well. Emmanuel Chinonso, laugh of loud, Nollywood fundraiser. Imo State, this is a Pepperonia, said Imo State suffered enough already. This man isn't coming back by the grace of God. And this one said Princess Error said anywhere belle face. That is true. Money for hand, back for ground. All this celebrity nonsense they have in Nigeria are just money mongers. Once you give them money, they can do anything. They can say anything. Okey Bakassi that, because before I forget to mention this, Okey Bakassi was one of the strong follower of Peter Obi. There was even a time he was presenting himself as an interviewer of Peter Obi. If you remember, when Peter Obi visited, I think somewhere in Uyo during the campaign, Okey Bakassi was there. He was the one, asking him questions on how you can, should give us assurance that you will protect the votes after people must have voted for you. Do you have any mechanism to protect the vote that people cast for you and all that? So Okey Bakassi was the one, but here he is the one of the people, organizing fundraising for Hope Uzodinma. These are people that want to give you a new Nigerian. These are people that you believe that they are working to, for the progress of Nigeria. Once you give them contract, they will wipe away all they have said. When did Asadu Dokubo say that Nigeria is not for you? After he made that video, was it too long ago that he did that video? But where is Asadu Dokubo now? He is the one championing Nigeria and begging them to give them the Biafra and let us manage our Nigeria. That is the pure black man mentality. Inconsistent. Okay, this one says 95% eyes. 95% of people who criticize the government online will change their stance at the sight of money. Just like what I just said. Exactly what I've just said. Really? She is a Labour Party steward. Sahara reporter. Yeah, maybe. I think Sahara reporters have underground informants that can tell you more about what someone is doing, especially in Nigerian politics. They have all their contacts. So I believe what they said in this aspect. This one says SASP is a typical Nigerian, zero integrity. Everything is money and more money. Disgusting. We are in the same line. Just like what I said, all that Nigerian celebrities knows is how to promote evil. So when we were crying about their activities during Peter Obi's campaign and all that, you did not notice that, yeah? Now some of you are beginning to understand the fact that most of them are just looking for contract. You see, 90% of them that's in support of Peter Obi's and the obedient movement is not for the betterment of common man in Nigeria. No, they're partially looking for an opportunity for them to contest for one governmental post or another, just to loot money and siphon public funds. That's all. Mazi Uoma Uzomena, if I pronounce that well, I don't know. That is the level that Nigeria has reduced so many people. You can't succeed in the zoo without being a criminal and supporter of criminal. People are, not taking it easy. All these comments, I'm not jumping it actually. I'm just going it one after another, and all of them are saying the same thing, that Ken Henshaw is searching for money, just like politicians. There's no difference. See, that's just the truth. There's no difference between Nigerian politicians and all this, even common man in Nigeria, in the street of Nigeria. They are all criminal minded. Once they see opportunity to make money, forget about whatever they have said or understand. Everything will vanish at sight of money. Just like this comment, one of these comments said, which I have read, what he said, once at sight of money, integrity will go. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it, and let it go viral. It is very, very important. Don't forget to follow the page, follow me on Facebook, like the video, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.